You don't need experience to start copywriting. And today I will show you why that belief is holding you back and how you can begin even if starting from the scratch. Many people think experience is a requirement, but that's just a mental block. Experience comes with practice. And the only way you can get practice is by starting it. And you need to understand that clients, they don't hire experience. That's just a myth. They hire results. Like me as a businessman, like what's the difference for me hiring someone that has 10 years of this shit and a kid that has only like 1 year or didn't even started, but he knows what he's doing and it's cheaper? Like, I will hire you anyway. You understand that? Like, try to understand that. Don't be afraid to speak to business owners. They need you. You don't need them. Remember that. And your focus should always, but always, be in how your copy can bring results. And I will explain you why. Don't start attacking me like, it's easy to talk, blah blah. I will show you, okay? You will start with fictional projects. You will write for imaginary products or businesses, and you will post it on your Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, whatever. You just need to post it, okay? You will basically be trying to write about, let's say, a MacBook. You will sell MacBook to people. You need to write a copy about MacBook, and you will share it on your Instagram. You will share it on your Twitter. You will make a video about it. People will see and people will start noticing you. Trust me, they will. After you do that with your MacBook, then you choose a dropshipping product you just saw on TikTok. Then you choose a case, iPhone case, like why that iPhone case is the better. You will write about all that products and then you will start building a portfolio. And before you ask me, no, I will not make a specific video how you can make a copywriting portfolio because it's easy as fuck. People are just not telling you. So, do you want to know how by the way, I forgot to mention in the last video, I'm a copywriter since October of 2020. Almost 5 years doing copywriting. And do you want to know how I started? First, I started on Canva with free Canva, not premium of course, but I wasn't enjoying it, do it on Canva. Like I was thinking, how can I share this as a PDF, as a PNG? What the fuck should I do here on Canva? Like, how can I make a portfolio here? Then I saw some templates and I was like, Jesus, no one will hire me from this shit. So I went to Google Docs and Google Drive. So you create the document of where you will write on Google Docs. You make all your copy on Google Docs, separated folders of course. Then you go to your Google Drive and you will separate them with folders. Like this is dropshipping, this is e-commerce. You need to organize yourself, bro. I cannot tell you everything, but you know. Other way you can do it is helping small businesses. Like if you see a new dropshipping store rising up from nothing, if you see some marketing agency just showing up like new, if you offer your service for free to them, completely free, you will not get paid, you will not ask money. You maybe ask for a small commission because you need to pay your bill, but you will not ask money. So they cannot charge you from some mistake too. You understand? Like you will say, brother, I want to make a free email copy for you or a free landing page copy for you, but I don't want money. I just want to start having a portfolio. The only requirement I have is I can use you as on my portfolio. They will, of course, they will agree because I don't care. And then that's it. You wrote, you practiced it, and if you fail, there is nothing against you because you are not getting paid. You understand? Once you have that samples on your portfolio, it's time to land real clients with real money. This is where the most of you will quit, because it's easy to make a free project. It's easy just to be here watching my 15-minute video or 1 hour free copywriting course on YouTube. It's easy because you feel you should do it, but studying and getting to action, it's completely different. And I know almost all of you will not do it. Even myself, I took at least 1 year to start landing clients. Not because it was hard, because here, I was like, no, I need to study. I don't think I'm capable. Why should I go talk to someone? Let me study more. I studied so fucking much that I think I'm the best copywriting in the world, and I was afraid to talk to someone. Like, it was crazy. So pay attention to this part. It's really important. How you can get real clients. You will start with my favorite method, cold outreach. You will send personalized message to clients on Instagram, alright? So you will target someone, a business owner or a business page on Instagram, and you will send them a direct message, alright? Don't just send, okay? It's like follow them, check some stories, like some posts, comment some posts maybe. Don't just send, alright? It's weird. Show them to that business how you can solve their problem or how you can help them. Remember to be really specific in your pitch. That's the most important. here. Before you send that message, you will research their website, you will research their stories, their reels, everything. You will know exactly what persona they are, because they have a personality. All business, they have personalities. So you will study there very well. The person you are choosing, you will study them very well. You will understand their beliefs. You will understand what they like, what they don't like, and you will use it as your plea. Suggest actionable changes and show them how your skills can bring value to the table. Even if they don't hire you immediately, you will be on their radar. I posted my last video here on this YouTube channel, and a graphic designer hit me up on my Instagram, Ruben writes, and he made my last thumbnail. The thumbnail that was previous than that one, it was made by myself. And this guy, this kid, showed me a better one. He said, bro, I love the video, but I think you are failing on the thumbnail. The thumbnail is good, but you can catch more people with this one. Take it, use it for free. And then he enrolled a message with me because I love the thumbnail, he made a good job. And I want him to make me more thumbnails. And then a conversation was like going, and then he offered me to edit my videos, he showed me some works he made. And that kid has a really huge potential to land me as a client, you know? The problem is, I'm starting it, I will not go crazy on hiring people here. But if I already have some followers, I will totally pay them like 5k a month to that guy, because his work was amazing. And I actually love the job. Like, I love the fact that he gave me a free thumbnail. I love the fact that he already came to me with a video that he edited of someone in my niche, education niche, and I love it, you know? Like, so that is so freaking powerful. Understand that it's freaking powerful. You change something. If you saw a business and you feel their landing page is shitty as fuck because you know they are selling, their conversion rate is not bad, of course, of TikTok ads, like in dropshipping stores, I mean. And then you go to landing page and be like, Jesus, this landing page sucks. I can make it so much better. I'm not telling you about design. You can always suggest something on design, but I'm talking about words. How you can make the landing page better. So make them a free landing page. Show them where you will change. Show them what you will add. Give them for free. They will love you. If they're not making sales, is what I said, you will be on their radar. Maybe in the next dropshipping store they will try before they release ads. They will call you for you to make the landing page before they release ads. You understand what I'm trying to say? It's important for you to get known. So eat people up on DM. Suggest stuff, send a personalized pitch, compliment them, be human and humble. That's the most important part. Networking is such a powerful tool. You can connect with other freelancers or join a community or a group on Facebook, for example. So many clients ask recommendations on those groups. I will tell you a personal story too. One of my first big clients, let's say like this, it was on a Facebook group, and I will understand you. I will explain you how it was. I saw a guy, a health company, I will not say names, but they were selling some magic pills, let's say a blue pill. He was selling a blue pill and he was asking for tips because he wasn't converting very well, but the creative, it was good, the TikTok ads was good, they were targeting good people because they were entering the website. And I got that guy, I went to the comment section of that post and I said, your landing page sucks, you need better copy. And I gave them like immediately the free copy of all landing page. The guy changed it and then he came to the comments saying the landing page converted 30% more at least. Like, he doesn't know how to make the counts because he's a newbie on this, but it was around 20-30%. He said like he cannot afford hiring someone because he's just starting on this e-commerce business, but he thanked me so much. With that, a funny part, it was a big shark on this, let's say, niche, saw my work. He saw what I made for someone who was a newbie, was a rookie. The kid was selling for the first time a blue pill and I helped him, I made him sell more. But the big shark that sells the red pill saw my work, saw what I made, like what I wrote for the kid, and he loved it. He freaking loved it. He just hit me up on direct message, not even in the comment section. He didn't tag me. He sent me a direct message saying, look, I own this business, I own this red pill company, I sell this shit, I promote this, my audience is this, my niche is exactly this one, the personas are already defined, this is the personas I need, work with me, do something, show me something you can do. I wrote a little ad copy, it was on the landing page, it was for ads, he loved it, and I landed a 70, here in Portugal we say in the other way, but 7,500 euros monthly with this guy. It was a rotative shop. It closed 6 months. It was just open like it's a season store. I cannot say a lot, but it was a seasonal store. So he only works between January and June. we closed the contract in March. So I worked with him like, let's say 3 months, but he made me a lot of money. And of course, when you will open a new one, you will hire me again. So don't underestimate Facebook groups because they're important. You have copywriters there learning with you or teaching you or helping you where you can learn from. And you have the other side of the coin, the people that will hire copywriters. So it's important. So don't really skip the part of Facebook groups. Freelance platforms are okay, I guess, like Upwork or Fiverr. I do not really recommend. I really enjoy more cold outreach. I really recommend cold outreach and these Facebook groups because it's free. And if you land a client, you don't need to pay to anyone. The Fiverr and Upwork, if they hire you, you need to pay, let's say, like 20% of your value. If you sell the 1,000 euros landing page, you will only receive 800. Fiverr gets 20. If you are doing everything right, you need to pay taxes for that 800. It's crazy shit. So I don't really recommend Fiverr and Upwork, but if you find a good job, like at least you get the portfolio and some cash, you know. Do it if you need. Right now you cannot be picky. And remember, this is important. Learning and improving are ongoing process. The most important thing you can do right now, apart from doing your cold outreach, practicing, is reading about. Be toxic to yourself, like get addicted, like you were addicted to cigars or alcohol or casinos or addicted to your video game or porn, whatever. Get addicted with learning copywriting or whatever. This is you can apply this to everything in your life. You need to get addicted to the gym. You need to get addicted to running. You need to get addicted to your family, to your values. You need to get addicted, be toxic. You need to have that toxic trait on you to make you be better every day. 1%, brother. It's important. As I was saying, you should read books. A lot of books, like a lot. You can read books about how you can improve your writing, of course. You can read books about psychology, persuasion. All that is important in your field as a copywriting, okay? So read books, take courses. Don't be afraid to invest $500 on a course. I'm not selling you a course. Don't go to the description trying to find one. I'm not selling, but don't be afraid. Of course, you should not buy a course from everyone, but there is some guys that are selling actually good course where you can learn something there. And follow experts in this field to refine your skills. Like me, I'm almost 5 years old expert on this field. Follow me, I'm sharing free tips every day. Subscribe, follow me on Instagram. Like, I will share you one video per week for free with value here, alright? You don't need to pay anything. Don't go to the comments, I will not have private mentorship, at least now. For now, it's just free content, enjoy. Even practicing simple exercises like rewriting headlines or analyzing successful ads in the marketing history, it can make a huge difference on the long term. You know, consistency beats experience, always. Practice, improve, and show up every fucking day. The courage to start is what separates those who dream from those who succeed. When you take action, you begin to build momentum, and that momentum leads to growth. And finally, don't let fear of failure hold you back. Don't let it. Every experienced copywriter started from where you are right now. For example, me, brother, I'm 23, I'm in Portugal. There is no fucking college or courses physically that can teach me fucking copywriting, brother. I needed to learn with YouTube. I needed to learn with courses, with books. And I didn't have someone by my side here saying, oh, Ruben, now do this, now call this guy, now take this action, write this. I didn't have a teacher to correct me. I never had a mentor. I always learned by myself, by grinding alone. So don't be afraid. Now you have all internet helping you. You have me helping you. My Instagram, you can just text me. I can help you. I can check your copy. I can help you with your clients without money. I'm not asking for money. I truly enjoy to help people. And I like to know I'm a boss, brother. I'm kidding, but seriously, if you need something with me, hit me up. I'm like, if I'm not busy, I will help you, okay? The most important part is like, you should really embrace the journey, because I actually enjoy a lot my journey. Like, I remember the excitement when I was starting, like exactly like you watching exactly the same type of video. Jesus, yes, this is what I want to do, is copywriting this shit. This is this. I want to be a copywriter. That click you are feeling, I felt 5 years ago. And until now, I still feel, like it's crazy. I feel so good sitting on my MacBook and making my copy, making tons of money. It's amazing. It's just amazing. And if this resonated with you, leave me a like and a subscribe. I'm not asking money. It's free. You just like it and subscribe the video. No, just like the video and subscribe the channel. It's for free and it helps me a lot and push me to keep going, to give you these free tips, because I don't need this. I'm not getting paid. I have 100 views in my last video and 11 subscribers. Love you all, for real. But I cannot get paid. But I'm still making my videos. I just enjoy to make them. I like to make the video. I like to edit. I like all the things, So at least help me by liking and subscribing the video, okay? And I want you to be honest with yourself, and if you feel free to share, I want you to go to the comment section and tell me what's been holding you back from starting copywriting. Let's overcome it together. I truly want to help you. Tell me in the comments. See you in the next video. Hope I helped someone with this. If I did, tell me too. I would love to know that I helped someone today with copywriting. So guys, a big hug to all of you. Keep going, grind, lock the fuck in, and never let anyone disrespect you, and never let anyone tell that your dream is shitty. Your dream, motherfucker, your dream, it's your fucking dream. It's what will make you be better every day. You will wake up struggling for that fucking dream, so keep doing it. If you don't dream, you are already dead.